In this video, I'm going to show you the answer to a question from one of my viewers. The question is, how do you find yesterday's records in a SQL Server database? So for this example, I'm going to use the database from my website, finderchannel.net. It's a directory of YouTube channels. So let's find some data here. Okay, so I log these search queries from user searches and they go into the search queries database table. Let's have a look and see what people are searching for. Okay, so today is the 19th of February, so these are today's searches. Yesterday's searches are the 18th of February. So for our query to find yesterday's records, we want to find these. So there are 6 records here. So when we are testing, we have to ensure that we are getting all 6 records from the 18th, and we don't want ones from the 19th or 17th or earlier. So let's do a bit of querying and see if we can just pick out these records. So how exactly do you find all the records from just yesterday? Well, I do like every other programmer does. I look on Stack Overflow. So I've linked this article in the description below if you want to have a good read through it. It is quite interesting. So there are a few suggestions for how to get yesterday's date. I'll also link to my video below that shows you how to get yesterday's date. So let's try some of the suggestions in this article. The suggestion in the article was to do this query here. So select star from the database table name where search date, so that's this field here, is greater than equal to this, which I'll link in the description below. I've got another article about this, but you can use date add with -1 to find yesterday's date from the current date. And obviously we also want records that are less than today. So let's see if this works. Okay, so we have records from yesterday, the 18th. The problem with this one that we also have some records from today. So you might find this query is okay for your needs, but I think that really we need a cutoff here. We don't want this one or these from today. We only want these records. So how do we do this? I did a bit more searching on Stack Overflow and I found this article. So I'm thinking the problem with the current query is that we need to have a cutoff at midnight. So we don't want any records after midnight of today or yesterday. Is midnight today or yesterday? I'm not sure. It's quite an old article, but I found in SQL Server 2008, if you convert a date time to a date, it chops off the time part. So that might actually work. So as you probably know, get date gets today's date and the time. Let's have a quick look here. Okay, so this gets today's date and the time as well. Let's now try this query that was in the Stack Overflow article. So if we cast get date to a date object, then we should just get the date without the time. And indeed, yeah, we do get this. So if we combine this with this query, this may be better. So now let's run this whole query. Okay, so now we just get the records from the 18th, which is yesterday. We don't get any of today's records. So I think this is the best query you can use to get just yesterday's records from a database table. If you have any other suggestions or find better queries, then please do leave a comment below. Also subscribe for more SQL tips. Thanks for watching.